Hello everyone, I welcome you in the Fuzzy Set Theory Part 5. This is Swati Nikam, Assistant Professor, Department of Humanities and Sciences, Walchand Institute of Technology, Solapur. At the end of this session, student can able to understand the concept of fuzzy sets and solve example based on it. Before we start with our video, friends, please pause your video for a minute and recall this question. Define alpha cut and strong alpha cut of a fuzzy set. I think you got your answer now. Alpha cut of fuzzy set is defined as the alpha cut of A is the crisp subset of a universe of disclosure X whose elements all have membership degrees greater than or equal to alpha. That is, alpha cut of A is X belongs to capital X such that mu A at X is greater than or equal to alpha, where alpha belongs to closed interval 0, 1. And the strong alpha cut of fuzzy set A is the crisp subset of the universe of disclosure X whose elements all have membership degree strictly greater than alpha. That is, strong alpha cut of A, alpha plus A is equal to set X set belongs to capital X such that mu A at X is strictly greater than alpha, where alpha belongs to closed interval 0. Now, friends, solve an example. Example number 1. Let A be the fuzzy set defined on a universal set X which is equal to closed interval 0 to 60 by membership function A of X is equal to 0 for the range 0 to 20. It is equal to X minus 20 by 15 for the range 20 to 35. It is equal to 1 for the range 35 to 45. And it is equal to 60 minus X by 15 for the range 45 is less than X is less than or equal to 60. Then find support of A, core of A, boundary of A, also alpha cut and strong alpha cut of A for alpha is equal to 0.4, 0.2, 0.9, 1. Now here universal set capital X is 0, 60 is an infinite set of real numbers, so that the given fuzzy set A defined on X is an indiscrete fuzzy set. Hence, we must draw the figure as shown below. So, here on x-axis we denote all the elements X, and on y-axis we will denote membership grade which lies between 0 to 1. Now, the set as described over here, it is equal to 1 in between 35 to 45, and from 0 to 20 it is equal to 0. So, we will calculate it as a graph by using few arbitrary points in between 20 to 35, and we will plot here so that the structure of the set on the graph is like this. In order to get a alpha line, we have drawn a alpha line arbitrarily in between, which corresponds to the extreme points x1 and x2. Now, let us calculate support of A. According to the definition, it is those x belongs to capital X such that mu A at X is strictly greater than 0. So, the membership grade which are strictly greater than 0 are in between 20 to 60. Therefore, it is support of A is the open interval 20 to 60. Now, core of A is equal to those x such that mu A at X is equal to 1. So, it is the closed interval 35 to 45. According to the definition, we have this thing. So, it is described over here. According to that, we are writing. And boundary of A is those mu A at X which are strictly lies in between 0 and 1. It is the open interval 20 to 35 and another open interval 45 to 60. Now, to find alpha cut and strong alpha cut of A, we have to find extreme points of the interval that can be calculated in the following manner. For alpha cut, A of X is greater than or equal to alpha. This is the definition. Now, we will take the value 20 is less than X is less than 35. Then A of X is greater than or equal to alpha. So, let us suppose this as a first extreme point with x1 minus 20 by 15 is greater than or equal to alpha. So, x1 minus 20 is greater than or equal to 15 alpha, and therefore x1 is greater than or equal to 15 alpha plus 20. Now 45 is less than x is less than or equal to 60. A of x is greater than or equal to alpha. That means 60 minus x2 upon 15 is greater than or equal to alpha. So 60 minus x2 is greater than or equal to 15 alpha. So 60 minus 15 alpha is greater than or equal to x2. So in this way we have calculated the extreme points of the alpha line. Alpha cut of A is equal to closed interval x1 x2 is equal to 15 alpha plus 20 comma 60 minus 15 alpha for every alpha belongs to semi-closed interval 0 1. Therefore, we will calculate the alpha cuts in this tabular form for different alpha. Here in the first column we have written all the alphas, and here just before that we will write down all the alpha cuts. So this is the definition of alpha cut. We have obtained alpha cut of A. In place of alpha, we have to substitute the different values one by one. 0.2 cut of A is equal to closed interval 15 into 0.2 plus 20 comma 60 minus 15 into 0.2, which is equal to closed interval 23 comma 57. Similarly, 0.4 cut of A. So here in place of alpha we have to substitute 0.4 and we will get a closed interval 26 comma 54. 0.9 cut of A is equal to, in place of alpha write down 0.9, which is equal to a closed interval 33.5 comma 46.5. And the last one, 1 cut of A is equal to, in place of alpha we have to write down 1, which is equal to closed interval 35 comma 45. Now we have to get strong alpha cut. By the definition, A of x is greater than alpha. Now for 20 less than x less than 35, A of x is greater than alpha. Therefore, x1 minus 20 by 15 is greater than alpha. So x1 minus 20 is greater than 15 alpha, and therefore x1 is greater than 15 alpha plus 20. Now 45 minus x is less than or equal to 60. So A of x is greater than alpha. Therefore, we will get 60 minus 15 alpha is greater than x2, and hence alpha cut of A is the open interval x1 comma x2, as it is strictly greater than. So it follows the strict inequality which contributes to the open set, equal to open set 15 alpha plus 20 comma 60 minus 15 alpha for every alpha belongs to semi-closed interval 0 1. Now here in first column we have written alpha values. So for alpha is equal to 0.2, strong 0.2 cut of A is equal to open interval 23 comma 57. Strong 0.4 cut of A is equal to, here in place of alpha we have to write down 0.4, and which will give us the open interval 26 comma 54. Strong 0.9 cut of A is equal to open interval 33.5 comma 46.5, and strong 1 cut of A is equal to empty set, as we know that we don't have any element which has gradation strictly greater than 1. Now on the same line, let us calculate example number 2. Let A be the fuzzy set defined on a universal set capital X is equal to closed interval 0 35. By membership function, A of x is equal to 1 in between 0 to 20. It is equal to 35 minus x upon 15 in between 20 to 35, and it is equal to 0 otherwise. Find alpha cut of A for alpha is equal to 0.7 and 0.8. Here we have drawn a universal set which is infinite set of real numbers, closed interval 0 35. Then the given fuzzy set A is defined on X is an indiscrete fuzzy set, hence we must draw a figure as shown below. So here on y-axis we have drawn membership grade from 0 to 1, and on x-axis we have plotted points. Now as it is in between 0 and 35, and it is equal to 1 in between 0 to 20, so this is the line we have shown. And after that, for few points we have calculated and got this slope. We'll get a alpha line. So with the help of that line we will get the extreme points x1 and x2. Now to find out alpha cut of A, we have to find extreme points of this interval that can be calculated in the following manner. For alpha cut, A of x is greater than or equal to alpha. So now to find out the left alpha cut in between 0 to 20, a of x is greater than alpha, where 1 is greater than or equal to alpha. That's why alpha is equal to 1. Therefore, x1, which corresponds to the value x1 to be 0. Now for the right extreme point, 20 less than x less than or equal to 35, a of x is greater than or equal to alpha, that is 35 minus x2 upon 15 is greater than or equal to alpha. So alpha cut of A is the closed interval x1 comma x2 is equal to 0 comma 35 minus 15 alpha, for alpha belongs to semi-closed interval 0 1, and that's why here we can get all the alpha cuts in a tabular form. So here I have written different alphas, and for them we have get the alpha cuts. 0 cut of A is equal to, in this definition we just have to put alpha is equal to 0 and we will get the closed interval 0 comma 35. 0.7 cut of alpha is equal to, in place of alpha write 0.7, which will give us the interval 0 comma 24.5, and for 0.8 cut of alpha is equal to, in place of alpha substitute 0.8, and that's why it is a closed interval 0 comma 23. I have referred a textbook Fuzzy Sets and Their Applications by Pundir and Pundir. Thank you so much for watching this video.